In today's hearing, the Nakawa Chief Magistrates Court has issued an arrest warrant for Molly Katanga, the wife of the late businessman Henry Katanga. Molly is wanted in connection with the murder of her husband on November 2nd, 2023. Currently hospitalized at IGG for injuries allegedly sustained during the incident that claimed her husband's life, Molly has failed to respond to criminal summons issued since November 21st last year. The court has directed her to use her medical condition for bail in the High Court if she is indeed sick. Additionally, Katanga's daughters and two others face trial for destroying evidence related to the murder. According to evidence presented, Henry Katanga expressed concerns about his safety days before his murder, revealing he was being tracked by his wife. The court alleges Molly orchestrated the murder and the daughters were involved in covering it up. The prosecution relies on various reports, including DNA evidence and ballistic expert reports. The suspects are set to appear in the High Court soon.
She wasn't ready for discharge, but when you have an arrest warrant, you must comply with court as a law-abiding citizen. So we shall also discuss with the hospital and bring our client to court to answer the warrant. We won't wait for her to be arrested because she's immobile. She can't move. You can't issue an arrest warrant for somebody who was battered to near death, even after 5 experts of the Ministry of Health from the medical board have told you so.
In another ongoing case, Minister Mary Gorreti Kitutu Kimono has filed an application in the Anti-Corruption Division of the High Court seeking an injunction to restrain the Inspector General of Government, Beti Kamya, from prosecuting her over alleged fund mismanagement for peace-building activities in Karamoja. She argues that it is the same matter for which she is already being prosecuted by the Director of Public Prosecutions. The court is currently reviewing Kitutu's application, with respondents seeking an additional week to clarify the difference between the IGG and DPP's cases. Kitutu is also challenging her prosecution by the DPP, citing a lack of evidence against her and claims that this amounts to a violation of her right to a fair hearing. The case revolves around criminal charges related to the mismanagement of public property.
Why would the IGG try to bring a charge that is arising out of the same subject matter? The subject matter was alleged mismanagement of a supplementary budget of 39 billion. That subject matter is even has a report of Parliament. The idea that IGG has picked out a component of that subject matter and focused on it obviously violates the law.